Hi, I'm Cecilio for the non meals. Enterprise systems don't fail at deployment, they fail after. Configurations drift, permissions expand, policies diverge, and monitoring coverage fragments across environments. These changes are constant, and over time, they degrade system integrity. What I focus on is how attackers exploit that. In my work, I model this across three domains: configuration, identity, and policy. Configuration integrity breaks down as systems evolve independently. Identity integrity degrades as permissions accumulate without revocation. And policy integrity fragments as enforcement becomes inconsistent across systems. This results in real attack paths like privilege escalation, lateral movement, and detection evasion. For example, take an enterprise learning system used by a sales team. It contains proprietary content and requires strict segmentation between internal users, partners, and customers. As that organization grows, someone is promoted and given broad administrative access across systems. That access is never revoked. And over time, that account becomes overpermissioned and inactive. An attacker doesn't need vulnerability, they just need that account. From there, they move across systems where configurations are misaligned and policies are inconsistently enforced. That's not a bug, that's just normal system behavior. That's the key idea. Attackers don't break systems, they exploit how systems change. But this isn't just a systems problem, it's also a decision problem. In real environments, users operate under pressure with incomplete information and unclear escalation paths. That's where phishing, social engineering, and approval bypass happen, not because controls are missing, but because the conditions make those decisions exploitable. And in more complex environments, like infrastructure, you see the same pattern across physical systems. For example, in smaller facilities, network access is often managed informally. As that system grows, that responsibility doesn't always transition cleanly to a trained IT team. Access is shared, controls are inconsistent, and physical access becomes part of the attack surface. Now the problem spans physical, digital, and human layers. Across all these cases, the pattern is the same. Security doesn't fail because of a single vulnerability. It fails because integrity degrades across systems over time. In my work, I show how attackers chain these conditions into real attack paths and how organizations can move from periodic review to continuous alignment across configuration, identity, and policy domains. This is about understanding drift as a continuous attack surface and designing systems that can actually survive it.